Hey guys, so I've been asked, how does Bruno Mars get into and ride with me with his doggles? So I'll show you. So this is called a K9 Sportsack. Zips all the way down. I put a little towel in there. The reason I do that, he's kind of wedged down a little too far, so this gives his bum a little bit of support. So I'll take him by his little collar. We sit him inside it. 2 little feet come through. See these little holes? 2 little feet come through. Puts himself in. Tuck in his tail. We zip up. Okay, there's a couple of safety enclosures here. So that cinches him in. Number 2 cinches him in. This is an addition I did for myself. I actually put a little carabiner on here. I don't know if you guys can see the carabiner. I did. I put a little carabiner on there. That goes right onto his collar, just to protect my little buddy. Yeah, good boy. Okay. Then what we're going to do is, this is going to go through here so the zipper doesn't come down. Snaps in. On go his doggles. Over his little head. Oh, hang on. I did that wrong. On go his doggles this way. Yeah, that's how they go. Like that. His ears through there. And there you go. There's Bruno Mars all ready to go. Hey buddy, have a seat. We're going to get going on the 2023 Road Glide Special in black and chrome from Durham Harley-Davidson. Remember guys, come on in, ask for Andre.